Question on model town board. I want someone to take the green car from parking station, going behind the blue, using the longest, most correct route while not using parking, so that the green car must go behind the blue, using the longest, most correct route while not using parking. Exit from parking station. The second question is moving the green behind the blue while using the longest, most correct route while not using parking. I repeat, the green car will use the longest, most correct route going behind the blue car. From line 2, you must use line 2 of roundabout. You move with line 2 of roundabout. You go straight. I want someone to pick or to use the green car to go in front of blue while using parking, using the shortest while using parking to go in front of the blue.